Alright guys, so here's my Cessna, what's left of it. I'm going to attempt to fly it today. I haven't had any real successful flights with this. I think I've tried to fly it about 3 times, and my longest one flaps. I think my longest one lasted about 20 seconds before I crashed. So again, we may be documenting a crash here. As I said before, the west is out to my right. That's the ocean, and I've got about a, I don't know, 2-mile-an-hour breeze coming out of the east. I have no idea what's going to happen, so I'm taking off with the wind in my back. You know what, I should turn around. If this goes bad, hopefully I don't have to chase it too far. Oh God, here we go. Oh, Jesus. Try to pull the flaps up. Okay, well this is pretty cool. Wow. Uh-oh. Okay, we got some, the wind affects this pretty good. It's pretty light. This is pretty cool. Okay, so far I've broke my record by about double. Oh. Okay, I gotta try to relax a little bit. Maybe take my turns a little longer. I'm used to whipping them around with the helicopter. This thing is obviously a lot easier to see. Oh, this is kind of fun. Of course, I haven't landed yet. Oh, I forgot to turn my timer on. Let's see, I don't dare look down. See if I can find my switches here. Where the heck did they go? There they are. Okay, it's probably set to 6 minutes now. Oh God, here we go. Oh, Jesus. Okay, that was gnarly. Okay, it doesn't want to. I think I'm mixing up my. No, my ailerons are not working like they should. Maybe it's got a cross draft or something up there. Plus I got bugs climbing on me. Looks like I'm gonna need to go get those bug things. So there's 1 minute on the timer, which is probably, I guess, in about 3 minutes. Try to take these turns a little easier. Yeah, it's getting a Draft wants to make it turn right. I guess it's kind of coming from behind me, so that'll be northeast. Yeah, it wants to pull to the right pretty good. Maybe I need to trim that or something. Yeah, I keep having to give it right aileron. Two minutes. Oh. Okay, sorry for the lack of conversation. This is like taking about everything I've got here. Okay. I want to see if I can land, but that may be the end of my day, so I want to ride this puppy as long as I can. Okay, so guys, I've been doing all right. Been through two visits with the chiropractic / doctor. He's adjusted me twice, and getting better. Pain is still there, but I feel a little more, a little stronger, a little more balanced. So I go in Friday for my third one. I don't know how many more he's going to want me to go for. But so I've been continuing that. We are back to work. Today is Columbus Day, so taking advantage of the day off. Okay. Anyway, I just want to say hi to everybody. I don't know if this video camera is still working or not. It cut out in my third flight last time. Oh. You know what I'm having trouble with also is the torque. I think the motor is torquing the airplane around a bit. I wonder if I should try flying with the flaps down. What if that would make things worse? Let me try it. Okay, there's the flaps. I might be able to land this. I don't want to do it right now, but being able to land, I think, would be a bonus. That must be about 5 minutes on the timer. I don't know how long this battery will last, so I'm just going to go till the 6 minutes are up. And I'm guessing that'll be about 8 minutes. Uh-oh. I'll be able to tell once I look at the video how long I've been flying, but yeah, I'm thinking it's a little breezier up there than it is down here on the ground, but that's okay. This is kind of fun. Yeah, I see it's kind of got a, it's kind of crab walking there a bit. That must be 5 there. Notice I gotta give it some throttle before I go into the turns. Oop. Got a little confused there. Uh-oh. Yeah, I really got to give it a lot of left aileron to get it out of that turn. So I'll trim that out when I have a chance to look at it. I don't even know if it's at 0 right now. I've never flown this long before. Never had a chance to trim it out or anything. You know what, that timer has to be set for more than 6 minutes. I wonder if I set it for this, for the airplane when I made the profile. So I'm thinking I'm gonna try to land on this next approach to my left. If I can get these bugs out of my face, I'll be doing great. Okay. Oh. Oh, wow. I don't freaking believe it. Let's see. And my timer says I've got 2 minutes left, so that's about right, I think, or whatever I had it set for. Oh my God, that was cool. So, let's see. Pull my flaps back up. Oh, look at that. I got a bind there. That would explain that problem. So, I think this is what the guys do. They taxi them back to their area. Boy, that's rough. Oh man, that was awesome. So, let me do a little maintenance here and maybe I can get another flight in. I have one more battery. I got to use one of the little airplane stands. Isn't that cool? Alright. Well, thanks for watching, guys, and maybe I'll get another one in. We'll talk to you later. Bye. Okay, guys, I'm back. I figured out what the problem was. This guy right here had pulled out, so I wasn't getting any right aileron movement at all. So I secured it to the top of the wing with some screws. I'd already done it with this side because it had broken, but I guess I should have done both sides while I was at it. So I'm gonna try another flight, see what happens. And it looks like, okay, this timer is set for 10 minutes which is way longer than I'm used to flying. So I do get some jitter. I think it's from the rudder. There it goes. When it first comes on, plop that guy in there. See if I can get another flight in before the wind kicks up. Too bad. Boy, I wonder what it'll be like to fly with 2 ailerons. Let's see if that fixed it. Whoops. Come on. Got my handy dandy bug fan on. Let's see. Oh wow, look at that. Both sides work. Okay. Rudder. Alright. Let's taxi. Flight number 2 on Columbus Day. I don't know where I'm supposed to stand. I guess right here. Put my